Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to remove devices from T-Mobile home internet, manage connected device in app and web UI. Method first, using the T-Life app. Open the T-Life app and sign in with your T-Mobile ID, then tap account, then scroll to services and select home internet. Open the device or connected devices section to see all connected device. Tap the device you want to manage. Fifth one is choose one of these four options. Temporarily stop to device from using the internet. Forget or remove. Remove the saved device so it must reconnect again. Block. Prevent the device from connecting until it's unblock it. Second one is using the web UI. Connect your computer to your T-Mobile home internet Wi-Fi, then open a web browser and enter your gateway IP address such as 192.168.12.1 or 192.168.0.1. Sign in using the admin username and password printed on the label of your T-Mobile gateway. Then go to network or connected devices. Then select the device you want to manage. Click block, forget or remove device. Then save the changes if prompted. Thanks for watching.